Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Now we are going to see about the process DaSCE, that is the data security for cloud environment with a semi-trusted third party. Then comes the abstract of the process. Offsite data storage is an application of cloud that drives the customers from focusing on data storage system. However, outsourcing data to a third party administrative control serious security concerns. Data leakage may occur due to attacks by other users and machines in the cloud. Wholesale of data by cloud service provider is yet another problem that is faced in the cloud environment. Consequently, high level of security measure is required. So, in this paper, we propose data security for cloud environment with semi-trusted third party. So, that is the DaSCE, a data security system that provides a key management, access control and file assured deletion. So the DaSCE, that is the data security in the cloud environment, utilizes Shamir's scheme to manage the keys where some shares are required to generate the key. We use multiple key managers, each hosting one share of key. So the multiple key managers avoid single point of failure for the cryptographic key. We implement working prototype of DaSCE, that is the data security in the cloud environment, and evaluates its performance based on the time consumed sharing various operations like file uploading time, file downloading time, and the cryptographic time. So this result reveals the DaSCE, the data security in the cloud environment, can be effectively used for security of outsourced data by employing key management, access control, and the file assured deletion. Then comes the flow diagram of our process. So the flow diagram shows our process diagrammatically. So here there is a root authority that is the admin. So the root authority, that is the admin, creates the master key for the key manager and adds the key manager to our process. So once the key manager was added, so key manager should log into the process, and key manager should generate the authentication code for the users and add users to our process. Once the key manager adds the users should log into our process. So here there is a two process under user against the uploading and the downloading. So while uploading the file, the user have to select the file, and also the user have to generate key. So here for the generating key, here we are using Sami secret key sharing, and so once the key was generated, we will encrypt the file using the key and upload the content into the cloud storage. So for the downloading process, it will show the list of files, and from the list of files we have to send request to the under the key. Once the key manager receives a request, key manager checks for our authentication and the access policy. Once the verification was completed successfully, the permission will be granted to access the file for the users. So now the users can download the file. So for downloading the file, users should know the key, that is the Sami secret key. So that key will be sent by the key manager to the users. So user has to receive the key, and using that key the file content can be downloaded successfully. And also there is another process called the revocation. So in the revocation process, key manager can revoke any of the users at any time. So this is the file assured deletion. So then comes the running procedure of our process DaSCE, data security for cloud environment with a semi-trusted third party. So first we have to run home.java. So this is our home page for our process. So click here. So first the page is for the admin. So here we have to log in as an admin. So the login success. So here the admin process is to add the key manager. So here I am going to give the details for the key manager details. So here we have to add the key manager. So the master key was generated successfully. So this is the master key. So then we have to log in as the key manager. So here we have to run the page key manager login. So this is the page for the key manager. So here I'm going to give the name and the master key. So the login was success. So this is the page for the key manager. There are three processes. So they are adding the new user and viewing the user's request and also revoking the user. So first let us see about the user process. So here we have to add the new user for our process. So the new user was added and the authentication code for the user was generated. So now we have to log in as user. So for that we have to run du login. So this is the page for the user login. So here I'm going to give the name. So the process was completed. So there are two processes under this user: file uploading and the file downloading. So first we have to upload the file. So here I'm going to choose the file. So this is the file content. So here I'm going to generate the secret key for the file and some is secret share key, and also now I'm going to upload the file. So the file was uploaded successfully. So then downloading process. So these are the uploaded files. I'm going to send file request to the key manager. So if you check the process, so it will be in progress. So now the key manager should give authentication. So now I'm going to log in as key manager login. So I'm going to view the user request. So request for the file. I'm checking the access policy and giving the permission. So now the permission was granted and the secret key was sent. So here I'm going to see the. So now it is granted. I get the secret share and we have to enter the secret share. The verification was success. Now we can download our process. The file downloaded successfully and it will be stored in our system. So that's all about our process. Thank you.